In this DIY video, there are steps on how to make your very own DIY trendy hexagon shelves. Made from using coal timbers pine. Secure a stopper on your circular saw and adjust the saw blade to 30 degrees. Make your first cut. And as you can see, there's a 30-degree angle cut on the one side. Flip the pine board over and push it right to the stopper. The stopper was adjusted at about 200 millimeters in length. That way, every piece that you cut is the same length. As you can see, the angles are equal on both sides and are facing outwards, which is what we want for this project. Continue to cut 6 pieces for the hexagon shelf. Lay them down flat, putting them end to end and flush, with the longest side facing upwards. Take duct tape and apply it smoothly to the back, joining all the pieces together. Turn over and make sure that there are no gaps. Now we can apply wood glue to the joins. Make sure to apply enough. I'm applying wood glue to both the joins on each side, right the way down the strip on all 6 pieces. Next, pull on the tape and slowly join all the corners together. The duct tape acts as a clamp, keeping the wood together and making sure that all the joins are in contact with the wood glue at all times. And secure the ends. Allow to dry and remove the tape. Use wood filler on any cracks or gaps. Sand down the wood filler and also the surfaces of your hexagon shelf, on the outside and on the inside. I decided to use my staple gun to make this hexagon extra secure at the joins by just stapling a staple over that join. The final part is to attach a sawtooth hanger onto the back for hanging onto the wall. The hexagon shelves are now complete and really look the part to display beautiful ornaments and plants. You can also stain or paint your hexagon in any color you wish. We hope you enjoyed this DIY project. Keep smiling and DIYing.